Okay guys, today we are going to do a comparison video between the latest battery technology. Here we have this Nanex sodium ion battery, sodium ion technology battery. Yeah. Okay. Then we are doing a comparison between Nanex and this lead acid battery. This one is the best lead acid technology battery. It's an AGM type, not the normal start stop. It's the AGM type. It's the most durable, most quality type of battery. Yeah, this is AGM LN3 lah. 70 AH. 70 AH. This brand is from Korea. It's a made in Korea AGM technology. Yeah, so there are only a few AGM types of brand in the market, and this is one of it. We won't mention the brand, but this one is a brand new battery. So we're going to do some comparison on what are the benefits of Nanex battery versus this AGM lead acid battery. Okay, so both is maintenance free. But this one they've got electrolytes. They got some water inside. So this one is a Nanex battery sodium ion at 100% no electrolytes inside. Yeah. So it's very light. Later we do some testing lah. Yeah. So the first thing we are going to test is in terms of the CCA, the cold cranking amp. So for that purpose, we will be using this battery analyzer. We're going to measure the CCA for each type of battery. Okay. So the first one we're going to test is this AGM battery 70 AH. Is a very good type of battery for lead acid. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it's a 12 volt system. We're doing a live testing. We see what is the capacity, the CCA, not the capacity, the CCA for this battery. So what is the CCA for this battery? Okay, we can see over here it's 857 CCA, cold cranking amp. It's fully charged. 12.94 is a fully charged voltage. So this one is 857 CCA for a 70 AH. 70 AH AGM battery. So it's very high CCA. Normal lead acid 70 AH, you can only get around 700 plus minus. Because it's AGM, it's a high quality lead acid battery, the CCA is much more higher. So now let's compare with Nanex battery. What is the CCA you are getting? Okay, you see over here, we're going to use the same analyzer. We're going to do a live testing. Okay, you can see from here. Okay, this one is a sodium ion battery. The voltage is a bit higher. But the CCA will be the same. So we are getting 1479 CCA. Much more lower internal resistance. So the voltage can be charged up to 15 volt, and it can go down to all the way to 0 volt. So to get this CCA, the voltage needs to be around 12 volt. So if you compare here, this one is 1479 CCA. This CCA you are getting from a 60 mAh battery, 60 AH. Not if you compare to this AGM battery, this one is a 70 AH battery. You see, even with even with this lower AH battery, you can get a much more higher CCA. So this CCA is very important for starting your car, your engine purpose. So if you can see from here, this sodium ion battery is a very good technology. A new technology battery. It's related to lithium ion, but it's much more safer. It's much more safer. You won't get explode if it's overcharged or over discharged. It won't explode if it's overcharged or over discharged. So as for lead acid battery, if your alternator fails, if overcharged, regardless whether it's a normal lead acid or AGM, if it's overcharged or over discharged, it will damage. Or overcharged, normally it will get swollen. Overcharged is normally due to a faulty alternator. As for Nanex, this sodium ion battery, nothing will happen. It won't get swollen. So this is the good thing about sodium ion battery. It's not like lithium ion. Lithium ion, you will get swollen. And sometimes you will spoil. So for sodium ion, it won't happen. So another thing that you can have a look is that, okay, the terminal of this battery is made of lead. Lead. So as compared to this, this Nanex battery is made of copper. So basically copper is 8 times tougher, 8 times more durable than this typically lead material, the terminal. You see, I use my finger also, you can see the mark. There's a mark. It's quite soft, this lead material. So copper is tougher and it transmits the electrical current better. Yeah. So another benefit of NANEX battery is that, I think I mentioned just now again, but let me clarify. So this battery, it can discharge up to 0 volt and fully charge up to 15 volt. Yeah. But even if you discharge until 0 volt, the battery won't get damaged. It won't get damaged. So let's say in case you forgot to off your light or what, if you charge back like normal, this battery will just behave like normal. But if you compare to normal lead acid or AGM, if you always forgot to off the light, the voltage become too low, then you try to charge back 2 or 3 times, the battery will get damaged. It will get swollen, or the CCA reading will be lower, because the battery design is not meant to be fully discharged. It always needs to be 50% fully charged. As for NANEX battery, you don't have to worry about that. So there's no worrying of overcharge or over discharge issue. That is for this NANEX battery. Okay, so what exactly is inside this NANEX battery? As you all may know, inside here is all electrolytes and lead, and some additive inside. So as for NANEX battery, what if you open up the cap, it's something like this. It's a sodium ion cell. It's something like this. Depending on the capacity, we got different variation. So it's something like this. So there is no electrolyte inside. So you don't need to maintain it, top up with water. It's 100% maintenance free. So there is no gas coming out from this battery. Not like lead acid or AGM battery. There's some gases, hydrogen gas that will be emitted. Okay, so now we're going to do one more testing. We're going to see how light is this NANEX battery compared to AGM battery. So AGM battery is a lead acid battery. It typically is very heavy. It's heavier than normal lead acid battery. So let us try to weigh this battery. See what's the weight. So this one is around 20 kilos. 20 kilos of battery for 70 Ah. So the higher the capacity, the heavier the weight. This is a 70 Ah, you're getting around 20 kilos. So let us test another one. Okay, our NANEX battery, the weight is around 7.4, 7.5. This is for 60 Ah. For 70 Ah, you're getting around 8.5 kilo. So it's much more lighter than much more lighter than your AGM or normal lead acid battery. Okay, you can see here, it's very light. You can use 2 finger. So normally this AGM battery is used for Continental cars. Mercedes, BMW, Audi, all those Continental cars, they need high performance lead acid battery. So so this NANEX battery is a very good replacement battery because it's lightweight, higher CCA, and it comes with 3 years warranty. 3 years warranty, unlimited mileage. As for AGM, normally they give around 12 to 18 months warranty depending on the brand. It's a good type of battery, but it's very expensive. It's very expensive. Normally the price is double to triple than normal lead acid battery. So if you guys are interested with this NANEX battery, you can private message us and mention your car model. We recommend for you the suitable batteries for your vehicle. You can see you've got few types, few capacities. You don't need such a high CCA battery to get your desired results, because this one is a new technology one. Okay,